Okay, well, welcome to School Success, everyone. We are adding to our Google Sites, and by now you should have your homepage that has your About Me blurb with a picture that relates to you. You should have your Google form, where your Google form is embedded in the second page. And most recently, we added our research mini paper. Now, today we are going to add in our Google Drawing. So to add in a new page, you click on Pages, you add the little plus sign. We're going to title it Google Drawing and say Done. Now we're going to go back to Insert, and we're going to find from our Drive yours will say copy of, and it should be your completed one, and you can make it bigger. And really, that's all we're doing, and I'm going to say publish. So we're going to look at our changes that we made, click publish, and now I'm going to click on this little copy link. And on Schoology, it's in week 6. And I'm going to click on Add Google Drawing to Google Site. And for all of you, it will say Submit. So click Submit, click Create, and then paste your publish link to your newest Google Site page to turn in this assignment. And that is all we are doing. So I'm really excited to see all of your Classcraft cards added to your Google Site.